So in question 3 we have a function f that depends on x and y, but at the same time x and y depends on t, and we want to take the derivative of f with respect to t. So f derivative with respect to t. And how can we do it if we have a two-step process? We have to differentiate first with respect to x and then with respect to t. And the same for y. We differentiate with respect to y and then with respect to t. So that's literally what we're doing. F derivative with respect to x times x derivative with respect to t plus f derivative with respect to y times y derivative with respect to t. So we have 4 types of derivatives to solve, and let's do them one by one. What's the function derivative with respect to x? Well, that's e to the power of xy derivative with respect to x, and that's equal to e to the power of xy times the power derivative, because it's the chain rule. So we have e to the power of xy, and the derivative of xy with respect to x is just y, it's just the constant. Okay, what is the derivative of x with respect to t? Well, x derivative with respect to t, we take it from here, t squared plus t plus 1 derivative with respect to t, and that's equal to 2t plus 1 by using the power rule. T squared derivative is 2t, t derivative is 1, and 1 derivative is just 0. What is the derivative of f with respect to y? F derivative with respect to y. Well, e to the power of xy derivative with respect to y. That's e to the power of xy times the derivative of xy with respect to y. So that's e to the power of xy times x. And the last step is, what is the derivative of y with respect to t? So y with respect to t, that's equal to t plus 1, sorry, 2t plus 1 derivative with respect to t, and that's just 2t derivative is 2, 1 derivative is 0, so overall it's just 2. Okay, we got our derivatives, we got our formula, let's just substitute and see what we get. So overall the derivative of f with respect to t is equal to e to the power of xy times y, e to the power of xy times y, right, that's our first term, times x derivative with respect to t, which is 2t plus 1, so times 2t plus 1, plus, let's move to the right, make some space, the derivative of f with respect to y, that's just e to the power of xy times x, e to the power of xy times x, times the derivative of yt, the derivative of y with respect to t is just 2. So all of this times 2. Let's go to the right and substitute things. What do we have? We have e to the power of xy as a common term, this and this, so that's equal to e to the power of xy, and what do we have left? We have y times 2t plus 1 plus, what do we have from here? 2x, that's all it's left, 2x. Okay, well, x and y are also dependent on t, so let's substitute t into x and y, which means that now we will have e to the power of x is equal to t squared plus t plus 1, so t squared plus t plus 1, y is equal to t plus 1, 2t plus 1, so times 2t plus 1, we substituted t into x and y, times, what is y? Y is equal to 2t plus 1, so we write 2t plus 1, times 2t plus 1 from here, plus 2x. What is 2x? Well, that's just 2 times t squared plus t plus 1, so 2 times t squared plus t plus 1. We close the brackets. Okay, and now we can actually finish off the question, because we'll open the terms. We'll have e to the power t squared plus t plus 1 times 2t plus 1 times, what is 2t plus 1 times 2t plus 1? Let's write it here. 2t plus 1 times 2t plus 1 is 2t plus 1 to the power of 2. And remember the power rule of a plus b squared. When we have a plus b squared, that's a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. That's like a property. So here we have our a, here we have our b. If we substitute that, we will have 2t squared, 2 times 2t times 1 plus 1 squared. 2t squared is just 4t squared plus 4t plus 1. So this is the result of this product, and we can write it here. 4t squared plus 4t plus 1 plus 2 times this bracket. So we multiply 2 with every term. We'll have 2t squared plus 2t plus 1. So what is the final result? Let's see. That's e to the power of t squared plus t plus 1 times 2t plus 1 multiplied with 4t squared plus 2t squared. That's 6t squared. 4t plus 2t, that's 6t. 1 plus 1, sorry, 1 plus 2, because 2 times 1 will be 2 here. Sorry about that. So 1 plus 2 is 3. And that's it. That is the final answer. We are done.